Welcome, guys. The Tecno Spark Go One is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers impressive features for its price range. It comes with a large 6.67-inch IPS LCD display that supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant visuals and fluid scrolling. The phone is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T615 processor and runs on Android 14 Go edition with Tecno's HiOS interface, ensuring efficient and optimized performance for daily tasks. It includes 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD card, giving users plenty of space for photos, apps, and media. The Spark Go One features a 13MP rear camera with dual LED flash for clear shots, and an 8MP front camera with its own dual flash for bright selfies even in low light. For entertainment, it has dual stereo speakers with DTS sound technology that enhance the audio experience. The device is backed by a powerful 5000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging, ensuring long-lasting usage throughout the day. Additional features like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, an infrared blaster for remote control use, dual SIM support, and an IP54 water and dust resistance rating